uncomfortable in the dark. Does the doorbell even work? I saw some people in there, so that's why this thing Alright, let's come see it. Oh, it's a Model 5! Nice! Oh my gosh. No, they did actually restore this thing. Oh my god, this is the first time I've actually ever gotten up close to this thing. Oh my goodness. Look at, they repainted this thing, they repainted the shroud and everything.
It didn't say it on my tickets.
Yeah, I think it's safe to say this thing is definitely going to be back up in service again. I can see it happening. Because I'm telling you, this thing definitely wanted just a whole new restoration. This is awesome. Here, let's spin this thing up.
So you know how you get it to spin really fast, right? You gotta plug that lead cord in. See the lead cord right there?
Alright, here we go. Oh yeah.
Austin, did you hear what he just said?
If you plug that lead cord in, it'll spin faster.
Oh god, okay.
Yeah.
Oh guys.
Actually, we'll plug it in and then you can take the breaker. You see the cord.
I've never gotten this close to an active airway silent, oh god. Let her rip! Let her rip!
You wanna go over there with Dave? No,
Sure.
See, he's gonna flip the switch. Hey. Get ready. You're gonna let this kid.
3, 2, 1.
You ready, Austin? Are you ready? You ready?
Are you gonna run up the whole tower? Or close?
It's up to you guys. Plug your ears.
I'm plugged over here.
Alright.
I got it.
Plug your ears.
It's up to you guys.
Give me a 3-second countdown.
3-second countdown.
Alright.
You recording?
Yep.
Alright, 3, 2,
Oh no.
1.
my god. That shook my whole body. I've literally never gotten that close to a Cyber Model 5 to be precise, running at full power. That was, oh man, that was a heart pounding experience right there. Woo! Oh man.
That's great. You know, the funny part is there's not stuff that's...
Well, I mean, I'm glad to see that this old thing right here has finally been restored. I'm happy to see that, honestly.
Yep.
Oh man, that was crazy. Whew. Oh, I gotta catch my breath. That thing, I could feel my hair standing on it. I could feel my heart pounding, ground shaking, and whew, that thing blew me away. Oh man, that was awesome.
You know, I'm gonna take a picture of you.
Oh my gosh, my heart.